Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sri Lanka. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Sri Lanka, an island country based in South Asia, is famous for its production and export of cinnamon, rubber, and Ceylon tea, which remains a trademark national export. Sri Lanka is primarily driven by agriculture, mining, trade, and tourism. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and traders who are interested in entering the markets might find it difficult to find the perfect broker that suit their trading needs, especially when searching for a trustworthy, globally regulated broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sri Lanka. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Exness Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 4 on our list, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets webtrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Exness. At number 2, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sri Lanka, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sri Lanka on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.